Hello everyone. Today I'm doing an unboxing, or was supposed to be doing an unboxing of the Rocketbook, but I got so excited with my shipment that I tore it open before I did the video. So I'm going to show you the products that I received, although they're already opened. What I got today was the Rocketbook Core and the Rocketbook Fusion. It comes in a package just like this. This one's the Core. They come with their own Fusion friction pen, and the pens are in the side. And let me go ahead and show you what the pen looks like. And this is the pen that it's a erasable Pilot friction pen. They work with the Rocketbook. Once you open it, this is the Core notebook. Gives you some instructions on what to do. These are the papers. They're I guess like a dry erase type paper. And when you write on it, you just use the little wipe that came with it. It's like a cloth, a microfiber cloth. A little bit of water, and you can erase what you put on. But as you write on it, you download the app on your phone for Rocketbook. You take a scan of the page of whatever information you have, and it goes straight to your app. And you can just erase this and start all over again. It's just a reusable notebook. And I love it. It comes with, I'm not sure how many pages. I can't remember. They said the page amount. I think it's like 32 pages or 18 pages. And I don't know if you can see it at the very bottom. There's a QR code, and then there are symbols at the bottom that coincide with the app when you get ready to download your information. And that is for the Core. And let me show you the Fusion. It's a little bit different. It's actually a notebook and a planner. And that one is right here. It also comes with a pen. All of the notebooks come with a pen. And of course I can't get that one open. And a microfiber cloth. And then this one, I got this one in like a lilac color. This one has a project worksheet, a monthly planner, objectives, key results, action plan, reflections. So this is actually like a day planner. Let's see what else it has. It'll give you an idea page. I don't know if you can see that. An idea page. A blank page. And these have dots on them like bullet journals. I know it's kind of hard to see, but they have little bitty dots on them for bullet journaling. They also have line pages in the back if you wanted to do any type of writing with lines. And then it has blank pages like sketch pages. And this still works the same. It has a QR code. Once you write in all your data, you just scan it to the app. It downloads to whatever file you save your pages in. And you erase it and start over again. And this is the actual symbols that are on the bottom of each page. And they stand for certain things. So you can categorize them based on what you put on the pages. Like one of them might be passwords. Another one may be some type of mathematical data. Another one might be your personal information. So you just use these codings along with the app, and that helps you categorize your information that you input. I'm going to try it, and I'll post another video when I actually write in it and you guys can see how it works. But this is what I got for the unboxing. I also ordered an extra set of pens because I love colors. And I ordered this, it's like a pen holder that attaches to the back of the notebook just so that I can keep track of the pen since it uses specific pens for this. I ordered the pen holder. So I'm going to try it out and I'll post another video and let you know how it goes. Thank you very much. Have a good day.